Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Ever worry about getting a repair that doesn't hold up? Inconsistent repair quality can be a nightmare. But at Arts, we ensure every repair is done right, every time. Take Luis, a youth soccer coach who visited us a few weeks ago. His 2014 Chevrolet Traverse had a scratched rear hatch from a parking lot incident. Luis was frustrated by a past shop's repair that faded and chipped within months. We walked him through our process, using top quality materials and expert techniques. Our team delivered a flawless repair on his Traverse, and Luis said, "Art's work is rock solid. I know it'll last." We achieve consistency with certified technicians, premium supplies, and strict quality checks. Whether it's a minor dent or a full repaint, our Pomona shop guarantees lasting results with a warranty for your peace of mind. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're committed to reliable, high-quality repairs. Don't risk inconsistent work. Come see us for a free quote today. Want repairs that stay perfect? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or check out artsautobodyandpaint.com for your free estimate. We deliver consistent quality.